Buongiorno a tutti. This is Dolce Vita Egg Banana, and welcome back to our channel. And I am Dr. Banana, and this is
Lady Egg.
Lady Egg. So how are you today?
Hi! Finally, we have some sunshine.
We have some sunshine today. It has been raining on and off for almost 5 days until today, and in the morning it was still drizzling, but finally the rain has just stopped a couple hours ago, so we decided to come out to the hill to get some sunshine. So here we go.
Yay.
Yeah.
首山 literally mountain of longevity, first appears on a 17th century Dutch marine chart. It was named Appenberg, which means monkey mountain, by the Dutch colonizers to describe many monkeys inhabit on this mountain. Though the mountain is heavily fortified with a countless number of military bases, bunkers, and defensive radars over a century, the government in recent years has turned it into a national nature park with well-planned wooden trails, and it's considered one of the most diverse wildlife sanctuaries in southern part of Taiwan.
And look at these lazy bones resting on the bench. Wow. Actually, the Taiwan macaque is also called Formosan rock macaque. They are the only primate that is endemic to Taiwan Island, other than Homo sapien, human being. You guys know what is the perfect activity for a relaxing afternoon? Picking the fleas. And it shows the correct interaction with the monkeys. It says no flaunting your food and drink and no feeding. However,
好可怜，他没得吃呢，对不对？这是猴王哎，
这是猴王哎，文斌拍他。
Now let's see two more extreme examples from other regions in Asia. Fatty Uncle, the pig-tailed macaque from Thailand, can barely jump. Long-tailed macaque from Indonesia even steals melons.
为使猕猴破坏猴子们的觅食习性，影响生态，可以开罚5000到1万元。
I will keep that in mind, but first, let's keep going.
let's keep going. How do you feel now?
It's a little bit humid, and because we come to hike right after the rain, so we struggle with mosquitoes a little bit.
Yeah, I'm also bitten by quite a lot of mosquitoes.
Other than that, it's a great way to spend time in the nature.
And you are able to encounter with as many of the species of the fern as you want on the way.
Look at this huge alocasia, also known as an Asian taro. But be careful, don't mistake it with the common taro. It's actually highly poisonous.
Yeah, it's very poisonous. And I heard that many people they die because of eating them in the wild. So be careful.
Be careful. Oh, take a look at my glasses. Oh, can I take off the mask for a while?
Yeah, sure.
It's really too humid today.
Yeah, I also want to do it. Let's do it. Oh. Look at these two little cute ones. These two monkeys are taking a nap on the roof of the gazebo. Oh, Ichi.
Once you have chance to come to Seoul for a hike, you really don't have to worry about getting lost, as we can meet many of those trail maps on the way.
Hi.
Hello.
Do you have any idea what are these two animals?
First one are the Taiwan macaques that we already met earlier today.
Yeah, we already met a lot of them. And this one, we still haven't met any of them today. Do you know who are them?
Oh, the Asian moonchuck.
Yeah, they are the Asian moonchuck. Actually, they are the two mammals that dominate the forest here. And Lady Egg, I have a question to you.
Yes,
Have you ever heard about the big fives in the African safari trips?
of course. Elephant and the rhino, hippo, all those huge African mammals.
Like buffalo and lions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the question is, who are the big fives in Seoul here in the park?
Of course, first two must be the macaques and moonchuck that we already can see on the map.
Yes, macaque and moonchuck. And the third will be the palm civet.
Oh.
Yeah. And the fourth, the squirrel, the red-bellied squirrel. And the fifth, the Japanese house bat.
Are you sure? How about mosquitoes?
Mosquitoes? Oh God, you know those that bite us?
Yeah.
They are far above them. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey friends, see what I've found here. A big African snail.
Wow.
Gonna catch it?
We actually have a very popular children's song in Poland about snails.
About snail?
Yeah.
About this kind of snail?
Not this kind, just generally about snail. And it goes like ślimak, ślimak wystaw rogi, tańczy sera na pierogi, jak nie sera to kapusty, od kapusty będziesz tłusty.
Why you sound pierogi? I thought that pierogi is the dumpling in Polish.
Yeah, this song is about giving the cheese or cabbage that was supposed to be made with the dumplings for the snail to eat, so it will become fat.
Have you ever seen any snail eating cheese? But yeah, it's just a children's song, eh?
Children's song.
Yeah.
Dam ci sera I kapusty, od kapusty będziesz tłusty. Dam ci sera I kapusty, od kapusty będziesz tłusty.
Actually, you know, this kind of big African snail, yeah, of course, they're quite common here. And they're also very common, you know, after the rain in Okinawa, Japan. And it's just recalling of my childhood. Because, you know, I was 10 or 11 at the time. And my friend's mother used to ask me and my friend to collect a whole bucket of them.
Of those?
Yeah, of them. And then her mother just used the local white alcohol to cook them. Yeah.
Wow.
So, you know, after that, they invite me to the dinner with them. But I personally don't really like the taste of this kind of snail, but obviously they like it a lot.
That's our friend, luckily, it's safe. And we are just going to put it back to the nature.
Yeah, we're not going to cook it.
No, we are not.
Okay, so say bye to our YouTube friends. Bye.
Bye.
Look at the monkeys on the way. If you want to see them, come here. You're going to see a whole bunch of them. This is like a hidden gem in the heart of the city, the Eden of the tropics. The cicadas are making the courtship callings now. It's a season for mating.
Tropical summer.
Yeah, the tropical summer. Just right after the rain. It's getting darker now, and it seems that the mosquitoes are everywhere. I got bitten by the mosquitoes a lot. So itchy. Now I'm as itchy as a monkey. Those mosquitoes from the Eden. Let's move on. Let's move on.
Let's hurry up.
Hurry up. So YouTube friends, we are now back to the parking lot where we start our hiking today.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know down in the comment section what do you think about the Taiwan macaque, and is there any other monkey species in your region? And very important thing, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, share with your friends, press on that notification bell so you know every time we upload new video, and stay tuned because we'll see you guys very soon.
We will see you guys very soon, okay?
Bye
Bye-bye. The road is now all covered by the mud. Have a look of this. You see, it's very muddy, very wet, and kind of slippery. And this is due to the soil erosion of the hill. Because we are now at the foot of the hill. Take a look. So muddy now. It's been storms almost every day for 5 days, and for 5 days, and
Finally we can go out to enjoy some nature.